guys, my Splendies underwear subscription has arrived, and although it is just an underwear subscription, on the website you can actually shop for socks and underwear as well, and you can give gifts. When you order, you can get a surprise variety, no thong, or all thong subscription. My subscription is no thong. They do have a plus subscription as well, which is a 1X through a 4X. And month to month at $14.99, which can be canceled at any time. You can get a 3-month subscription where you pay for all 3 months right then, which brings it down to $14.50 per month. A 6-month, which is $14.33 per month, and then a 12-month, which is $14. The company does offer 50% off when you're a new subscriber, but that is only off of the 1 month. So my subscription was only something like $7.50, and that includes shipping. So each subscription has 3 pair of underwear, so let's open this up and see what I received. All right, so opening the package, the underwear are wrapped in tissue. So opening the tissue, they're really pretty. So let's take out this polka dot one first. This is the front side. A little bit of lace around the top and around the legs. This is the back side. It doesn't look like full coverage. And then the inside has the white lining, cotton lining, and it's a Splendies brand. Okay, so the next is solid black, a little bit of lace around the legs. And that one looks like a better coverage on the back. So I'll have to wait and see when I try it on. And then this is a cotton lining in black. And this is a Splendies brand as well. Okay, so one item left in the bag, and it is burgundy as you see it here. That's the color. A lot of lace. Looks like a lot of lace in the back. $12. All 3 are priced at $12. And yeah, that's the back side. There's a lot of lace. It's all lace, actually. Right here, there's nothing on the back but lace. So I'm not sure what I think about that. And then the cotton lining as well. So here's the 3 pair of underwear that I received, which monthly is going to be $14.99. I'm going to send them a message and see if I can adjust the subscription somehow, because the only one that was actually full coverage is the black. Now, the polka dot one and the burgundy one, not that they're not comfortable, but they're just not full coverage, and I'm just not sure what I think about that. And then, of course, the all lace in the back on that one. I'm just not sure. It's just not me. It's not typically what I wear. But if they're able to adjust my subscription so that they can give me the full coverage like the black pair, great, you know, and then I can definitely continue the subscription, because I definitely think that they're pretty, and I definitely is something that I do want to continue to order. But what do you guys think? So do you think that this is a nice subscription, lousy subscription, so-so? Something you may be interested in? I do have a referral link that I'm going to go ahead and put in the description if you're interested in trying it. And remember, if you do the 50% off, I'm not sure if you purchase, you know, make a big purchase on their website and you get 50% off, or if it's just that first 1 month where you get it for half price. That I'm not sure. You might need to contact them about that, but I did get 50% off just my 1 month, so it was only $7 and something. But I'll leave that link below if you are interested in trying the subscription. And other than that, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.